Okay, I'm about to go out on this little dune buggy situation here at the Whitehead Homestead. Kind of nervous. Never been in one. I'm going to show you. Yeah, I don't know. But, yeah, I'm going to attempt to drive that down to the barn where my chicken friends are waiting. Okay. We got it. It was a little touch, it was very touch and go. I definitely Googled some videos, some how-to videos. Yeah, I'm a little embarrassed about that, but here we go. I can hear them. Oh, here they are. There's Daphne and the chickens. Hi, friends. Hi, I came to say hello. Okay, let's see. This in neutral. Turn it off. Daphne. Oh, I see you. You best not get them. Look, I didn't even have the door closed. Jeez, what an entrance. Oh, you're beautiful. You right there with the stripes. All right. Hi, Daphne. Hi. Hi. Whew. Hello, everybody. Oh, little. Daphne, what do you think? Hi. Who wants to be fed? Oh, you guys have plenty of food. Guys, I drove down here in a car thing. All right, Daphne, let's go eat. Okay, we're going in. Okay. Maybe not. Okay. That's smart. That's smart. Uh-oh. This is Lauren proof. Wow. Another one. Ah, Jiminy crickets. Okay, hang on. We made it in. Look at them. Hello, everybody. Oh, I really like you guys. Hi. Can I hold you? Can I hold you? Oh boy. Does it hurt? Does it hurt? Can I pet you? Hi. Do you hurt? Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. I just want to pet you. Little chicken. I touched it. I touched the chicken. Ew. Okay, I'm really bad at this, but I'm very distracted. Friends. Hi. Hi. No. They're all congregating to me. my favorite. Don't hurt me. Hi, can I pet you? Can I pet you? Don't be mean. I know. I feel like somebody's trying to escape. Well, you're really goofy looking. Hi. Can I check on everybody? Oh.